Yep, it's official. This one goes out to all the chickens out there. That's right, I'm talking to you. Yeah, that's right, you, chicken. I can smell you.
Chickens. This goes out to all of you. All the chickens. All the chickens.
Right, listen. I'm calling out to you chickens out there.
Oh, that's me.
Everyone put your feathers together and flap them.
Oh, okay.
Alright?
Alright.
I want to hear all the feathers go.
What the flip?
Yeah. Chickens being eaten. I can't fucking stand it. Chickens have eaten. Well, you can't fucking have it. Cox. That's what you're known as, yeah. Cox. That's what you're known as, yeah. Chickens. Please be careful out there. Yeah, chickens. Yeah, please be careful out there. Yeah, chickens. All the chickens. This goes out to all of you. All the chickens. All the chickens.
Listen, chickens. I just want you to be careful out there, yeah? Don't get snatched by KFC or something, alright? Just stay strong, stay alive. I'll see you in the next life. Mwah. Chickens? Am I hearing that right? Are you seriously asking for an encore right now, chickens? Well, okay. Hold on to your feathers and your little cheeky little leggies, because encore is coming up in 3, 2, 1. Well, maybe not quite just yet. Maybe 3, 2, 1, now.
You thought this shit was over?
Oh hell no! Whoa.
It's not. It's only just begun. Fuck you, KFC. Pee off. Pee off, KFC. Fuck you. All my chicken brethren are here. We're gonna shut you down. And after that, we're gonna drink beer. Fuck yeah. All my chickens are here to kill. Chicken song. The shit go hard. All the chickens. This goes up to all of you. All of you, yeah.
All the chickens. All the chickens.
Yeah, chickens.
Okay, I think it might be official this time. I think the song might be ending. Let's have a look. Is it gonna end in 3, 2, 1?